Narcissists often face a critical moment when they realize they've lost someone significant, someone who provided them with essential emotional nourishment and held sway over their inner world. This realization can be shattering, sparking a deep desire to reclaim what they've lost. The individuals they lose aren't just anyone they're seeing as irreplaceable sources of support. Finding someone to fill the void left by such a person becomes a daunting challenge for narcissists. They might come to believe that the lost person was their perfect match, uniquely suited to meet all their needs. This belief, however, clashes with their self-image of charm and manipulative skill. In relationships, narcissists crave what is known as narcissistic supply admiration, attention, and emotional support that bolster their ego. They are drawn to people who exude brightness, happiness, and empathy, qualities they often lack. Despite their intense need for these traits, narcissists struggle to maintain stable, healthy relationships. They tend to see others as tools to be used, valuing them for what they can provide rather than who they are. When someone possesses the traits or resources narcissists desire, their perception of that person can change dramatically. They may begin to take them for granted, feeling entitled to their presence and contributions. This attitude comes from a deep-seated fear of losing access to a vital source of supply, leading to desperate attempts to regain control or find a replacement. However, when faced with the loss of someone they once deemed indispensable, narcissists can spiral into self-destructive behaviors. They may seek comfort in promiscuity, substance abuse, or other addictions, worsening their feelings of emptiness and dissatisfaction. The memory of the lost individual continues to dominate their thoughts as narcissists struggle to find someone who can truly replace what they've lost. Despite efforts to secure new sources of supply, which may temporarily appease their ego, narcissists rarely find lasting satisfaction in relationships. Their journey is marked by a cycle of seeking validation and admiration, yet failing to achieve genuine happiness. This constant quest for the ideal partner highlights the inherent contradiction in their approach to relationships. They yearn for deep connection but struggle to maintain it due to their toxic behaviors. Ultimately, narcissists remain trapped in a cycle of dissatisfaction, unable to break free from their own patterns of self-sabotage. Their relentless pursuit of an unattainable ideal leaves them perpetually unfulfilled, despite outward appearances of contentment. This poignant story reveals the tragic consequences of their condition, a life marked by temporary highs and inevitable lows, driven by an insatiable need for validation that no relationship can sustainably fulfill. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.